So in this Pages tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add background to text here on the Pages application. So the first thing you have to do is open up a Pages document. Once that is done, I'm just going to simply go ahead and just add some random text. So I'll just type in the word background right here. As you can tell, there actually is no background applied or sort of any color applied to the back of the text. It is just blank white. So if we were to go ahead and highlight this text right here, go to the right hand side of your screen. Go to this little gear icon right here, right below where the font size is. Press on the little gear, press on the little arrow to get a drop down. And if you were to go all the way to the bottom where it says text background, and if you were to go ahead and press on the little circle right here, you can get a whole bunch of different colors. If you wanted to add perhaps maybe a blue background to the text right here, or maybe a cyan background, or a green background, or whatever. Once that is done, you can press on X out of here. Now there's a background added to the text, so it's sort of highlighted per se if you wanted to. So this is a background. If you want to change the color, just highlight the text right here. Do the exact same thing. Go to the little color wheel right here, select a background color, exit out of there, and I've added a purple background in this example to the text. So super simple, sort of another way of highlighting text per se through the Pages application. But as I mentioned before, this is how to add background to text here in the Pages application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.